After watching the Power of 10 video, there's a few reasons why I think it'd be nearly impossible to communicate with anything outside of our own planet, let alone our own solar system. One, the language barrier even between humans on Earth is extremely difficult. In some places, that same language isn't even getting spoken within the same 100-mile radius of some places, let alone having to go to another planet and trying to understand what they are looking for, what they are saying. The other is the time that it takes to travel to these places or send messages to these places is just unfathomable. And for a human to send a message right now, it would not get anywhere in their lifespan, so it would be forgotten about. Third is the technology. We still have not found, or there is no end to space, and our technology can only travel so far in space. And the fact that we are trying to communicate to anything out there is just our technology is not up to that speed, and we cannot travel through time that fast, or not time travel through time, travel through space that fast.